Good morning. So I'm a couple days into my journey here, my motorcycle adventure from the GTA, Oshawa to be specific, to Nova Scotia. Just been exploring Quebec, New Brunswick, and on my way to Nova Scotia to do the Cabot Trail. Currently I'm camped in New Brunswick at this amazing site. Check it out. Look at my view. This is what I'm waking up to. And I'm just enjoying my morning coffee before I hit the road. For coffee on this trip, I've brought some awesome deadly grounds, butter pecan, fresh ground. It's amazing. And thanks to my sister, I'm using these little filter bags. They're awesome. A couple scoops, make your own steeped coffee, basically. Excellent for motorcycle travel. It's great. So thanks, sis. Just about to get ready to start packing up camp. Going to hit the road soon, hopefully, and put on some kilometers today. Today's destination is Baddeck, Nova Scotia. I think I'm about 6 hours away, to be honest with you, so I got a little bit of riding to do today. And hopefully I will get there in time to grab a hotel and take a shower and go have a nice lobster dinner. Looking forward to that. Ride safe.
Knock, the pain is real. Opened up so I can feel numb to the blade that's piercing my spine again.
Well, it started to rain just as I was done packing up, but no point in waiting it out. Might as well just get riding. Looks like it's going to be raining for a while. Tell you what though, on a day like today, I sure do miss having rain tires. You know, that said, I'm running these Metzler Tourins tires on this bike, and they're good. You know, I've encountered quite a bit of rain on this ride, and no complaints whatsoever. I've got all the confidence in the world in these tires and in this bike. It's been a pretty awesome combination. You can see that the rain has stopped and the roads are starting to clear up somewhat, which is good. I need to pick up the pace here and try to get to Baddeck in time. The restaurant that I'm going to closes tonight at 8, I believe it is, and I'm going to be cutting it pretty close. I think I'll get in there about 7 o'clock. And yeah, anyways, going to Baddeck Lobster Dinners is the name of the restaurant, and thanks to my friend Chris for that recommendation. It's supposed to be excellent, so I'll check it out and let you know. Even on this cloudy day, the scenery is gorgeous. Road's nice too. I mean, the asphalt's in good shape. Dried quickly anyways. And we're making some good pace here. Just enjoying the ride. See some good elevation changes coming up. We're getting into some rocky country now. And, you know, we got, I don't know if that's one of the bays, part of the ocean or something. Anyways, on my left here, you can see a big ship up in the distance. I don't really know what's going on there, but looks pretty cool. Check it out. I mean, this is beautiful, and it's a crappy day, and we're not even at the Cabot Trail yet. I can't imagine what I'm going to be in for tomorrow. Oh, looks like I gotta cross a long causeway or something here. Look at that ship. I don't know if you can see it. Try and get you a good view here. It looks like it's like filling it with rock or something like that, but they're excavating from the side of that cliff. I don't know. I can't really tell. It's very cool. Do yourselves a favor, people. If you've never been to this part of Canada, you gotta get out here. It's gorgeous, and so far any interactions I've had with the people have been absolutely fantastic. So I think I'm just crossing over onto Cape Breton now. I think that's the causeway there. I think that just took me on to Cape Breton Island. So Baddeck is probably pretty close. Get pretty low on gas though. A little bit worried about that. There'll be a gas station coming up here soon, I would imagine. Yeah, this looks like a good place to stop. Maybe I'll pop in here and see if I can get myself some directions to the gas station. Yeah, these guys probably know where to get gas. Well, just as I suspected, they were definitely able to hook me up with directions to the gas station. So I'm all fueled up and back on the road. I'm about maybe 20-25 minutes away from a hotel. The hotel that I'm going to try and stay at is really right across the street from the restaurant. Just like a quick 2-minute walk, so that's good because I feel like I'm after that fuel stop, I'm going to have myself a pretty healthy appetite by the time dinner time rolls around. So looking forward to that. Okay, to bring you in the loop, rode in the rain all day today to get to Baddeck, Nova Scotia, and that's kind of the start of the Cabot Trail, so the Cabot Trail will be tomorrow. But because of the mileage I needed to make and how late I was going to be, I opted to grab a room as opposed to camping, so quickly just do a quick walk around here, show you the room, you know, 2 double beds, whatever. I don't need that much space. I just need somewhere to sleep. But at least it's warm, it's dry, and I can actually, I don't know if you can see it, but I get a little bit of a view of my bike, so I can keep an eye on it throughout the night. That being said, I'm in a hurry. I just jumped in the shower real quick. to warm up, and I'm in a hurry. I'm off to get some lobster dinner. Looking forward to that.